Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove people from photos on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a photo made by me and I want to remove this guy from this photo. And to do that you can access the AI functions, and here is the icon. Just tap here. And now analyzing the image, wait for a few seconds. And we have here object eraser. Tap on it. Wait for a few seconds because finding suggestions for what to erase. And as you can see, now the AI circle this guy, but it's not okay because we have also a part of this girl hand. And now I will circle myself. First I will tap on the back icon, and I will circle myself, that person. And I will do it like this. And as you can see now we have here the hand. Okay, and now just tap erase. And as you can see now the person disappeared, and the picture looks okay in my opinion. And now I will tap here save copy. And let's see, this is the new picture and this is the old one. So tell me your opinion about this function, if you test it and how it's working for you. I also hope this video to be useful. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.